Around 9,500 wooden relics have been excavated from the Shimoyakebe Archeological Remains. These range from tools such as hunting bows, vessels, bowls, and axe handles, to driftwood and even the foundations of small reservoirs. A total of 49 objects woven from broadleaf bamboo, sasa, were unearthed, including baskets and mats made with a variety of different weaving patterns. Tools for shaping would have also been found, providing a glimpse at Jōmon period, 14,500 to 900 BCE, woodworking technology. The collection of artifacts includes stone axe heads of varying sizes that are believed to have been used primarily for felling trees. But the centerpiece of the Shimoyakebe Archaeological Remains collection is a large, unfinished Maruki canoe. Maruki canoes are a kind of dugout canoe and were created by carving large logs. They were used throughout the Jōmon period for fishing and travel. Numerous Maruki canoes have been discovered, but the boat found at Shimoyakebe is unique in that it is a surviving example of an unfinished canoe. The boat is 6.6 meters long and made from Japanese elm, keyaki. It is on display at the Higashimurayama Furusato History Museum.